Today we're doing a real custom screen, room, and deck project. And the decking material we're using is the Trex Transcend Spiced Rum. The spiced rum gives you the look of tropical hardwood. One of the challenges of this project is that we're using 12-foot, 16-foot, and 20-foot material. The color, as it comes from Trex in different units, it has slight variation. And the variation can be noticeable if you're using, let's say, all 12s in one piece, and then you were to match it right up against the whole section of nothing but 16-foot product. We like the variation. The customer loves the variation. It's just that you don't want to have too much of real dark versus real light. So what you're really trying to do is mix and blend. For instance, in this project, we took a lot of 12s and 16s and we started alternating them and trying to pair them up to each other. And we tried to make sure that there was a lot of symmetry in the boards that we were using as the pieces came together at one point. So what we're really trying to do today is play it like you would an interior hardwood floor. This project, which is a very high-end custom project, the client wants a truly finished product, so we're using all hidden fasteners. And we're using the Trex Universal Clip. First of all, these mate perfectly with the Trex Transcend decking product. They're designed for the Transcend line. The key is this proper start point. Once you start with the clips in place, you just go from one board to the next board to the next board, installing the clips. A lot of people correlate their indoor home to the outdoor world. So we are actually trying to mimic hardwood flooring. And with hardwood flooring, it's all hidden fastener. It's tongue and groove. Well, here we have a groove-on-groove approach where we allow water to go through, but we still have a completely hidden fastener approach. You don't see any of the fasteners. And that's the real beauty. That's what really separates high-end Trex Transcend product from a typical deck project.